If you have ever wanted to completely overhaul your body in record time, to enjoy the strong, sexy, lean body that so many women have been trying to build for years and years now, without all of the hassle and headache usually associated with this journey, you're going to want to pay close attention to this Venus Factor review. Hello, Anne here. Welcome to articletrafficlink.com. One of the most influential diet programs for women out there today, the Venus Factor is an absolute game changer when it comes to the best way to lose weight. A radical new approach to help anyone get back in the game and lose 15, 20, 30, or even more pounds in record time, pounds of pure fat that absolutely no one wants to have to deal with anymore, just by making a handful of minor shifts to the foods you eat on a day-to-day basis. The Venus Factor diet just might be the most influential program you ever decide to look into. Now, obviously, you have probably heard the claims like this before. And, truth be told, the weight loss world, especially for women, is absolutely packed with diet plan for women guides, weight loss programs, and fitness gizmos and gadgets peddled by less than ethical marketers who are really little more than modern-day snake oil salesmen just looking to separate you from your hard-earned money. Thankfully, you don't have to worry about getting swindled anymore. Instead, you'll be able to take advantage of this game-changing Venus Factor diet program, maybe one of the most revolutionary new weight loss programs ever released. It's a safe way, and effective way, and a smart way to get the body of your dreams in record time, and you have to be at least a little bit crazy not to check out this Venus Factor to learn just a little bit more. Ready to dive right in? Great. Let's get right to it. What is the Venus Factor? Venus Factor. The important thing to understand about this diet plan for women, the Venus Factor system, if you will, is that it has been designed and developed from the ground to be the most complete way to lose weight but also the safest, fastest, and most reliable. On top of that, this isn't just a program that has been designed to help you lose fat, though that is the major focus of this program. It's also going to help you tone and tighten your entire body, giving you that very attractive, sexy, and sleek body you've always dreamed without having to spend hours and hours in the gym for throwing out all of your favorite foods. This is because the entire program once creative time a world-class nutritionist, researcher, and personal fitness fanatic, a man that we are going to learn a bit more about later on in this Venus Factor review. Suffice to say, this is a brand new approach to melting fat from your body while at the same time building muscle, small amounts of muscle, in just of right places, to tone your body and make you look fantastic all at the exact same time. The whole backbone of the Venus Factor system is the idea of a leptin diet. We're going to break down the leptin diet in just a second, but it's important you understand this foundational building block has been proven time and time again to be the best way to lose weight for women. There's just nothing else like it on the planet. Smile. The Venus Factor aims to offer natural solutions to all women who are interested in losing weight. There's things I like and don't like about the Venus Factor. Understanding the importance of losing weight efficiently and keeping your organism healthy at the same time is mostly overlooked by women, which is why their success rate is so low right now. There has been a lot of fuss and hype around the Venus Factor weight loss program, confusing many women whose top priority was losing all those extra pounds in a short time. There have been many people reviewing this program, providing, however, biased information to the readers. In fact, the Venus Factor is probably one of the few weight loss programs that provide results, and even though it is not worth 5 stars, it can still receive at least 4 stars successfully. For more, click on the link in the description below, articletrafficlink.com/Venus Factor. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for checking out my review. Wishing you the best, see you next time.